Good morning, good afternoon, good day, everybody. This is your weekly market snapshot for residential real estate from MRED. I do this most every week. We cover the Northern Illinois real estate market, which goes from about the Illinois-Wisconsin border down to Champaign and from Indiana almost over to Iowa. So it's a big swath of the state. Let's see what's going on. This ends March 21st, so it's up to this Monday. Residential closed listings, 2399 versus last year at 3066. Now that is an improvement based on last week, which was only 1918. So the spring market is a little more robust. Residential listings under contract, we are a little higher than last week. We're at 3961 compared to 3827 last week. Last year we were at 4488. But as you can see, the trends are moving upward, so that's a good sign. Residential new listings, about the same, 5,585 versus last week at 5,478. So we do have an increase in that, and I hope that we continue to see that, especially for our buyers that have just been cramped. Last year at this time, we had 6,844 new listings. Residential rented listings, rentals are at 628 versus last week at 562 and last year at 981. This is residential active and temporary. Open houses, we had 2,154 last week versus 1,861 the week before. So you can see it's going up and down and up and down. That's about normal. This is the impact of COVID-19 to real estate showings in MRED. And this is residential sold price. So our sold price for this last week was $295,000 on the average compared to last year at $280,000. Last week we were at $285,000. So we went from $285,000 to $295,000 in just the course of a week. So it does look like you're within about $10,000 for purchasing. With interest rates going up and everything else like that, we'll see how it does with the market. But I would say if you are a buyer, to make sure that you know exactly where all your money is and take advantage of the programs that are offered to you. You don't have to have 20, 30, 40, 50% down to buy a house. So there are programs that can help you. So if you have any questions about any of those programs, I can give you the names of several mortgage people that I work with that are great. And you just give me an email and let me know. It's realestateruthie, RUTHIE, at gmail.com. Once again, this has been Ruth Fry with Keller Williams Infinity out of Plainfield, Illinois. I hope you have a great week.